Our BA in pop and commercial music is everything to do with pop music. So everything you might want to do if you love pop music in any of its forms, whatever your talents. You may start on a course, you might have never written a song. By the end of the course, you'll have collaborated on writing songs, you'll have put on a festival, you'll understand the music business, you'll have done backing vocals on something, and you've either turned yourself into this much more portfolio musician. I had my own band, Ocean Colour Scene, sold a lot of records, played with Amy Winehouse, Oasis. Everything that took me 15 years to learn, doing it in the real world, getting it wrong to get it right, you can learn in 3 years in the University of South Wales with absolute experts guiding you through the whole process. Any students coming to this university will be actually quite mind blown about the facilities that are available here. 9 recording studios that are all of high-end professional spec. The facilities are bar none. We've got people who are signed to major record labels, people who have won the Welsh Music Prize, but also we've got students who are now working across the music industry. Popular and Commercial Music at the University of South Wales is the course that will turn your creative endeavours into your career.